All right, I'm up here with iconic GT500. I'm about to get drugged too. I know.
It's gonna be close. I think it's gonna be a lot closer than we think.
I don't know, man. I got a hook. If I hook, it'll be good. If I hook, I don't know, but I think you're gonna beat me. What's all done to it now? Ported blower.
So since we last ran, we went to from a 275 pulley to a 265 pulley, which adds about a pound, and we did a ported blower and a JLT cold air intake.
So you're about 100 wheel more.
It's right at about 100.
So I'm gonna get drugged.
And
I'm scared to death.
And the drag pack.
Oh yeah, and the drag pack. It's dark. You're not gonna be able to see shit, but we're gonna get it in. And Mike probably gonna drag me in that thing. But all right, let's have some fun.
You're fucking leaving because one's hooking so much.
I was straight, like hazing them, you know, and it was like, wow, why am I so straight?
They'll both spin at the same amount, whereas Mickey's one's gonna hook and one's not, and you're just gonna fucking Mustang.
That's the thing with the vets. Like I was telling him on the way up, they're really snappy. I don't know how to explain it. Once they get out of control, it just cracks left or right, and you just you're along for the ride at that point. You gotta steer it out or don't hit the brakes because that just makes it worse.
You gotta have that naughty driver mind.
Yeah. If that's what you want to call it.
Yeah.
That's what it looked like right there. Alright. It's round 2. We'll try another 60 roll, see if we get a clean run in. I still think I'm gonna get beat a little bit, but I'm gonna try it out. That extra 100 horse definitely helped. Love it.
fucking good. 900 wheel versus 800 in a stick car. That ain't bad. I'll take it. That GT500 is sick though. Mad respect, no complaints. That is badass. Good shit, Steve, good shit. That was awesome, man. Woo! I'm hyped. I'm hyped.
I think you're going to be sure to come back.
That was sick. That was badass right there. Woo! I'm good with that. I'm good.
That was incredible.
Bro, that was the sickest race ever.
Sickest race ever.
Dude,
Insane.
I love it. That was awesome.
Squeaking away.
Dude, that was the best ever.
We went back. I told you.
That was awesome, man.
That was when you both were all in.
That-
Like, perfect.
That was sick, man.
Crazy.
I got to give it to you, bro. That was sick.
Dude. So, you want to see a video? I got a
Yeah,
really sick video.
definitely.
Well, just got back from having some fun with iconic GT500, and I gotta say, it's pretty much what I expected. I mean, that thing is really, really badass. You know, nothing I could do about that. It's hard to beat an extra 100 horsepower and a dual clutch transmission. So, props to him. It's a badass car, and I'm pretty happy with this thing. It impresses me more and more every time. Stock bottom end, 6 pounds, heads cam, pumping meth. I mean, I could drive the car anywhere. It's a lot of fun, and you know, no shame here. You know, that's part of racing. But Steve, you got a badass car, dude. I appreciate, you know, having some fun with you, and hope we can do it again once I get some better tires here in the future. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.